This is Colby Davis from Newton Nissan South, going over the 2026 Nissan Frontier lineup. Frontier SV in the dark armor package, and then a dark armor package with the Nismo Kit. On the SV dark armor, you have your road tires in the gunmetal color. Now this is a short wheelbase, so in the back you have your tow hitch and harness, your easy step up, backup camera, drop-in bed liner, and soft open lift gate. You have your dark rims, your back seats with your floor mats, and zero gravity seating. A glance at your front seat. Powered seating, zero gravity seating. Vehicle information screen with 10 miles. Your steering wheel controls, center screen, climate controls, heated seats, heated steering wheel, parking brake. Your gear shift, on the Nismo black armor, you have your roof rack, your off-road tires, drop-in bed liner, tow hitch and harness with your easy step up, powered seating, zero gravity seating, floor mats, and front license plate holder. Vehicle information screen. This one has 18 miles on it. Your center console, Apple and Android CarPlay, climate controls, gear shift, your drive modes, and then your four-wheel drive settings. The 2026 Nissan Frontier lineup. If these don't match what you're looking for, don't worry. I do have an ocean full of these. As you can see, it goes all the way down and all the way back up. If you have something in mind, just let me know. My number is 318-703-143.